We're here in Vietnam, having dinner at the, I guess you call this riverboat. And I don't think we're moving, just the dinner. But let me give you the looks of this river. There you go. This is our table right here. Looking good, looking good. The background over yonder, that's downtown. Maybe that's a hotel. And this is the other table. How are you guys doing? You're enjoying Vietnam?
Yes, sir.
All right. Mushi mushi ano ni, eh?
Tres hermanas.
Okay, and this is the number one table. Wow, that's looking at the horizon over there. Looking good.
We'll be paying.
Man, and this. Oh, look at that. They're moving. And then we're looking at this table over here. This is table number one. No, I don't know what table number one. It's taken. And we have this table over here. And we have this table over here. Look like we're all set to move, guys. We're ready to move.
It's just a stationary.
Lycom. There you go. That's. This is great. This is part of our tour, when we're done playing golf, we come here and enjoy the Vietnam at night, or Saigon at night, as we say. And we're going to enjoy a dinner here. Beautiful. It's a beautiful sight. Yeah, look at that background over there. That's a good background. That's Saigon by night, right there. Saigon City. We brought about 20 golfers on the trip. 20 golfers. So this is really a nice spread here. Yeah, this is Art reporting from Saigon.